Hey guys, ShivHax here. Today we've gotten this smallest drone, which is called the Nano drone from Sky Viper. And today I'm going to be unboxing this, reviewing this, and testing this. I mean, it doesn't have a camera on this, but I'm going to be testing like how far it can fly, how fast it can fly, and is it durable? And is it great for the price I paid? So let's start the video, but before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. So let's begin by unboxing this drone. So now this drone actually has a family. Yes, it does have a family. Like it has like four other additional drones as the Journey SE, the Scout, the Furry, and then this one is the Dash. So I will be doing a review on this family, like of the Journey SE, then the Scout and the Furry and the Dash I'm doing right now. So I'll do about all those three on the top, and those are like great drones, like from my experience, I believe, because it says the description right there as well. It's like it has like the streaming and record of the Journey and Scout, and the Journey is like a really great one because it has like return to home and then extended range controller, all that good stuff. So I will cover that in one of my next videos, so be sure to turn on those post notifications and also subscribe to my channel so that you get my videos first. So this is the drone right over here. So you can see this is the logo, and it has a nice greenish black design, just like Razer, if you know the company Razer. I have a video of that in my channel right here, just click up there. And back to the drone. So it has these green blades on the front and black blades on the back, so that you can see which is the front and which is the back, because this is so small that you will be confused on which is the front and which is the back. And on the back side, you can see there's the on and off switch, and there's the charging port. It is like so tiny. The one concern about this drone is that they made this battery pack, but they didn't like conceal the whole battery thing, because it is not removable battery, but still you should like make it the whole thing concealed, because maybe dust or something else might get into it and the battery might get tempered as well. So I mean, Sky Viper should reconsider about this drone. So now let's turn this on. So after I turn this on, you can see there are the LEDs, the red on the back and the green on the front, just like that. And this is the remote control of it, which is like quite filled in. As you can see, like there's other joysticks and some features like the normal and sport mode and launch and land, which is pretty nifty about this drone, that it gives a launch and land feature. And the other things is that it has the stunt mode right over here. So if you press that, and if you just do any move, such as if you bring the joystick up, it will do a front flip. If you do it on the back, it will do a back flip, and then side to side or side flips, and I believe diagonal flips. I have to try that. So now let's fly this. So this was all about the Sky Viper Dash Nano drone, which is pretty fun to fly. Plus it keeps really stable as well. And it is so fascinating because, you know, it is a really small drone. I mean, I do have some problems, like it is like super tiny, like, and it flies like too much fast, so it is like not uncomfortable for indoor flying, plus not outdoor as well because it is like too windy too to fly it like really stable. But majority wise, this is a really good drone for like children or even young teenagers. It is really awesome. And if you want to see more drone videos, just be sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and the link for this will be in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya and enjoy your new drone.